Welcome to Kanaloa Octopus Farm, the first octopus farm in the world.
Here they're trying to breed octopus in captivity, which is extremely difficult. Very few others have succeeded. Octopuses are soft-bodied mollusks. They're famous for having 8 arms and bulbous heads. Some people call their appendages tentacles, but that is incorrect. They are arms. There are around 300 different species of octopus. Here at Kanaloa, they only have the day octopus. They are escape artists and masters of getting out of small spaces. Octopuses don't have 1, but 3 hearts. A heart that circulates blood around the body and 2 branchial hearts that pump it through each of the 2 gills. And their blood is actually blue. Instead of iron-rich hemoglobin, octopuses have copper dissolved in their blood, and that's why it looks blue. Octopus come in many different sizes. They range from the pygmy octopus that can fit in your fingernail to the giant Pacific octopus that can reach up to 600 pounds and more than 30 feet long. They breathe in oxygen through their gills, and they exhale through a tube called the siphon. Octopuses can survive for around 20 to 30 minutes outside of the water. A common octopus has about 240 suckers on each arm, and a particularly large sucker can hold up to 35 pounds. They're super strong. The suckers are also extremely sensitive. They can pick up subtle chemical changes in the water, and they can move individually, even folding in half in a pinching gesture. The arms have a mind of their own. In fact, 2/3 of an octopus neurons are in its arms rather than in its head. That means that an octopus can focus on exploring a cave for food with one arm while trying to open a shellfish with the other. Octopuses are definitely one of the smartest animals in the ocean. They're able to problem solve, use tools, recognize patterns, and they're considered to be as smart as house cats. And probably everyone agrees that one of the coolest things about octopuses is that they can change the color of their entire body in less than 3/10 of a second. They do this with specialized cells on their skin called chromatophores. Octopus's favorite food include crabs, shrimps, and lobsters. They eat through their beak, which is located under their head. And it's called beak because it looks pretty much like a bird's beak. And these are festoons, or strands of octopus eggs. This is a relatively short life cycle of an octopus. The male dies shortly after mating, and the female takes care of the eggs for less than a month until they hatch. The juveniles grow really fast. One of the male's arms, usually the third one, has a special tip which he uses to transfer sperm to the female, and the male dies shortly after mating. The female day octopus lays eggs in festoons, which are a chain of eggs attached to rock or coral. She can lay up to 400,000 eggs. For all of their amazing abilities, octopuses have short lives, and they usually live only a few years. The day octopus only lives around 12 to 14 months. Octopuses are incredibly special and intelligent animals. We hope this research helps us learn more about them and also help preserve their populations well into their future. ¿Recuerdas cuántos huevos puede poner un pulpo de día? A. 10.000, B. 400.000 o C. 150.000. La respuesta es B. 400.000 huevos.